Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you the entire myEcon business overview for 2025. We're going to dive into the company. We're going to talk about the myEcon compensation plan. We're going to talk about the products and services and how, if you stick around all the way till the end of this video, how you can get over $10,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership. Yes, at any level, and updated for spring of 2025, the new myEcon global membership level. We're going to dive into that. Literally everything you get that you see on your screen. Let's get ready and dive into it, my friend. So there are really now four enrollment options once you add in the myEcon global membership, but let's walk through them here. So you have a discounted FSM membership level, which is $24 to join, or really $25 to join, and then $45 a month. Okay, you have the regular FSM membership, and the one in front of that is basically just a discount, but it's the same membership. You get access to the same products, and I'm going to walk you through what these products are. So the regular FSM or financial membership level is $41 to join, and then $45 a month. Now, new for spring of 2025 is the myEcon Global Membership. It might also be referred to as the ZTM or Zingo Travel Membership. And that's specifically because with the global membership level, and I'm going to break this down for you further in this video, the global members, anyone outside of the United States, gets access to the travel membership. So hang tight. I'm going to go over all of this later on in this video. And then the highest membership level that you could join is the Elite Business Membership level, or EBM, and that is $100 to join and then $60 per month. So let's break down what you start getting once you start sponsoring people and your team starts to grow. We're going to get into the myEcon compensation plan here. So you get $15 when someone joins you. That's your direct commission. You get $15 when someone joins you at the $25 level. Now, if someone joins you at the $45 level or the $60 level at the international membership, meaning, again, outside of the United States, you're going to get a $35 direct commission, okay? And if someone joins you at the $100 level, and I'm just rounding up to make it easier versus saying $99.95, $100 is just easier, okay? So when someone joins at that level, you're going to get a $70 direct commission. So as you can see, you and then the people that you bring in, you earn the commissions based on the membership levels that they join, okay? As you start growing, this is laid out pretty simple for you here. I'm going to open up all three levels here. And by the way, these levels go down through infinity, but how myEcon, basically categorizes your levels is just your first generation. Those are the people that you personally sponsor. Your second generation is the people that your first generation sponsors. And then that cascades on down again through infinity based on what rank you are at. And I'm going to go over those right now, okay? So let's talk about the compensation plan. And this is one of the things that I love about how simple the myEcon compensation plan is. It fits on one piece of paper, and it's really straightforward and easy to understand. So let me break this down for you first, okay? Lines 1 and 2, that gets paid to you every other Friday. So those are the direct commissions that you make or the direct commissions that your team members make, okay? I'm going to break down each of these lines individually, so hang tight. And the third line, you get paid that the first Friday of every month. Those are your residual recurring monthly income streams right there, okay? So again, lines 1 and 2, you get paid every Friday, and line number 3, you get paid the first Friday of the month, okay? That's pretty simple and easy to understand. Okay, now, when you personally sponsor someone, just like I mentioned, okay, you get between $15, $35, or $70 on direct sales. It's about 75% direct commissions, okay? Line number 2, as your team sponsors people, okay, you're going to get between a $1 and a $10 override. And again, that can get paid all the way down through infinity. So as your team is growing each and every single day, you are earning money. That is the beauty of the myEcon compensation plan. And yes, even for global members, you have full access to the entire myEcon compensation plan. You can bring people in, even if you're in, Australia or Germany or Scotland, it doesn't matter. You can bring in people here in the United States. You can earn all the different commission levels. You can rank up just like anybody would from here inside the United States. Now, every single month, as your team members renew, depending on what rank you are at, and I'm going to go over those here in just a minute. Okay. You can get between a $1 and a $13 override. And again, that can get paid down through infinity. So as an example, and I'm going to go over this further in detail a little bit later, if you have 1,000 people on your team, just think about 1,000 people times $13. It's a good amount of money for not a ton of people on your team. Okay. So how do you rank up? Well, there are 3 real ranks inside the company. There's actually 4, but there's 3 main ranks inside the company. You have gold, you have platinum, and then you have infinity. Now there's 2 infinities. I'll explain those here in a second. Okay. So how do you get to gold? Well, you need 2 people on your team. That's pretty straightforward. That's pretty easy to do. Okay. How do you get to platinum? You need 13 people on your team. How do you get to infinity? You need 75 people on your team. Okay. Now, you also, in order to hit those ranks, you need 2 people personally sponsored. That's it. I've seen other compensation plans where you need to personally sponsor 100 people. That's just crazy. It's not feasible for the average person. 2 personals, that is very, very attainable. Now, the difference between the 2 infinity levels, okay, the first infinity, which is called EVP infinity, is 75 people. CEO infinity is 300 people, okay? So all that means for you, the only real difference between EVP infinity and CEO infinity is right there in line number 3. It's the difference in override that you get paid. So EVP infinity is about $8 to $10 per override, and then CEO infinity is about $11 to $13 per override. So you just get a higher override, okay? But those are the 3 main ranks and how you can rank up. So now what I want to do is I want to take you to a slide I made that is going to break down. There's other companies out there that boast that they have the best compensation plan. So I'm just going to show you some real life data here comparing the myEcon compensation plan to some other companies, trending companies right now out there on social media. I want to show you the math, the data of why this compensation plan is so powerful. So I picked 3 other compensation plans out there that are trending on social media right now. And I did a black and white numbers to numbers comparison. And what we did in this demonstration here is we did a basic math of help 3 who get 3, meaning you personally sponsor 3 people, they sponsor 3 who sponsor 3, and then that cascades down to 1,000 people. So if you went down and say like a matrix format or 3 who get 3 all the way out, the math would be 1,092 people. So if you were to add all of this up with other companies out there, one of them is 2.5% per member. That really doesn't add up. And, this company will boast that they have a great compensation plan and it looks really great. But when you actually add up 1,092 people times 2.5%, that's only $271. That's not a big residual paycheck. Okay. When you look at this one here in the middle, 3.5% per member, right? Okay. You add all that up, 1,092 times 3.5%. Okay, based on their membership level, was only $764 per month. Okay, now when you do this, here's another trending compensation plan that's out there. They average between $1 and $10 per member per renewal. If you went out to over 1,000 people, that would be about $4,000 a month. Not too bad, but again, when you compared that to the myEcon compensation plan, if you were at the infinity level, in other words, if you were at 1,000 people on your team, you would be a CEO infinity. As a CEO infinity, the average renewal is somewhere between $11 and $13 per person. You can just do the math. It's pretty simple. Okay, over 1,000 people, you'd be at over $7,600 per month. This is just your renewals. Okay, this doesn't have to do with, direct commissions or the sales that your team is making that day that you're getting paid on the Fridays. This is just your renewal checks. And again, this is compared to other trending compensation plans out there. myEcon is night and day over all the other compensation plans that are out there, at least all the ones that I've seen that people are excited about out there right now on social media. So let's dive into the products and services that you get when you get started with myEcon. And I'm going to break them down by level. Okay. So when you guys join at the $25 level or the $41 level, okay, when you guys pay to get started there, okay, you're going to get access to everything that you see on your screen. Okay. So if you come in now, obviously, if you join at any of those three levels that you see there, this does not include the global membership, okay, or the ZTM membership level is not included here. I'm going to go over that here in just a minute. So any of the three USA based levels is what you see right here. Okay. You're going to get the income shifting tax strategy. This is going to help you add on average about 10 to 15% more into your paycheck. Okay. This is a simple tax strategy. All you got to do is fill out a piece of paper and it's going to put more money back in your paycheck. We literally have hundreds and hundreds of members going through this, saving on average anywhere between, $400 to $700 per month. Think about that. If you could just fill out a simple tax form and increase your paycheck by $500, $600, $700 a month, would that help you and your family? Of course it would. Okay. We also have the My Credit system. This is going to teach you how to go from, poor to fair, fair to good, or even good to great. We all know that credit is king here in the USA. And if you want to do anything significant in your life, get a car, get refinance, buy it, get a mortgage, whatever, you need a good credit score. This is going to show you exactly how to do that. And you're going to save thousands of dollars based on what else is out there. Credit repair is not a one and done process, my friends. It's an ongoing process. If you went to just search credit repair out there, you would see programs as high as $300 a month. You don't have to pay even a fraction of that here with myEcon. The cash flow manager. This is how you can manage all of your business and personal expenses now. And what's great about this is once you become a member of myEcon, you're now a home-based business owner. As a home-based business owner, you can qualify for up to 200 tax deductions per year. I'm pretty sure you probably didn't know that you actually get that. Being a home-based business owner has incredible advantages. The cash flow manager and the strategies inside of myEcon are going to help you take advantage of that. Debt elimination software, well, straight up, this is going to help you guys reduce and eliminate your debt in a fraction of the time. We're going to show you how to literally take the extra money that you're bringing in every single month through the income shifting tax strategy process, start taking that extra money and start paying down your debt in record time. Now, lastly, investment, education, and training. Plain and simple, these are the seminars and strategies that people fly out to Vegas for and spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just to learn how to invest their money. This is how you learn how to have your money start making money for you. So again, you're going to get access to everything that you see here, all for any of those three membership levels that you get started at. Yeah, even the $25 membership level. Also, remember too, if you watch this all the way to the end, I'm going to show you guys how to get access to our system, which is proven to convert inside of myEcon. And it's something that you get access to for free over, basically $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership. Okay. Now, again, everything that you see here, you're going to get at those two membership levels, as well as the top membership level there for $100. But I'm going to cover that right now. Okay. So here's what you get if you get started for either the global membership level. You're going to get access to the travel, which I'm going to explain that more here in just a sec. And also, if you come in at the $100 membership level, you're going to get access to everything that you see on your screen. But unfortunately, only one of these things here, just the travel membership, is available for the international members that are outside of the United States. So I want to talk more about travel here in a minute. I want to talk more about the international membership here. I'm going to cover that last because I want to make sure you fully understand the differences between these membership levels. So right now, what you guys see on your screen, you're going to be able to get at the $100 level and only the $100 level here in the United States. Plus, you're also going to get everything that I just showed you on that previous screen. Access to a travel membership that you probably didn't even know existed, but there is a members only travel membership out there that we have access to inside of myEcon. That's going to get you up to 70% off your travel. I mean, if you compare that to what else is out there, you're going to see incredible price differences. Okay. This is exclusively for members only. This is why you pay for this membership level, so you can get this. You don't get this with the main free travel sites that are out there, the Expedias and Travagos and Travelocities. You're not going to get these discounts. You also get a 110% price match guarantee. What does that mean for you? If you find a cheaper price out there, they're going to pay you the difference. That's pretty awesome, right? You also earn points towards future travel. I mean, every time you book travel, you get a flight, a hotel room, a rental car, a cruise for your family, whatever, you're going to earn points. You can take those points and redeem those for free travel. Okay. Pretty awesome. Now, do the other big name sites do that? No, they don't. What you're also going to get access to at the $100 level is you're going to get something called Defender Plus, also known as ID Defender. This is where you get 24/7 surveillance on your personal information, just like something called LifeLock, which you've probably heard of. You've probably seen commercials for it, okay? Only this is better, right? You're going to get cutting edge monitoring, whether it's, your home address, your email address, your social security number. They're going to protect your personal information on the web 24/7. Also, there's so many other things inside of this one single service right here that I just don't have time to go into. There's also legal things that you get. You get access to lawyers, you get access to free legal counseling. All of those things are inside here too. Also, something really important called lost wallet assistance, meaning if you ever, lost your phone or lost your wallet, lost your identification cards, your driver's license, whatever, Defender Plus will literally work with you to help you get covered and restored as fast as possible. So everything that you see here on your screen, everything that I previously just showed you at the $100 membership level, you get access to all of that. Okay, the travel membership and Defender Plus, you only get at the higher level. Now, as a global international member, okay, what you're going to get access to is the travel membership. Okay, unfortunately, Defender Plus isn't in the cards right now, and some of those other things on the previous slides I shared with you aren't available right now. This is, basically the phase one part of the rollout here for the global membership here in 2025. They're opening up the doors with travel because travel is a global and international thing. Travel is worldwide. Okay. Over time, they've already talked about mentioned this on live webinars, that they're going to be rolling out other products that will be available all across the globe. So if you're coming in as an international member or curious, what is myEcon doing for the global membership level right now? It is travel. And yes, they will be adding more products and services in, but they wanted to make sure that you could get your foot in the door. And right now you get access to the travel membership and you can utilize that. Now, here's what's really cool. If you are in other countries, and I mentioned this earlier, you are in other countries and you want to market here in the United States, you can market all of these membership levels here in the United States. You can earn the commissions on those membership levels here in the United States. You don't only get stuck into, being an international member, having access to travel, and that's all you can market. No, you can literally market any of the individual links or any of the individual membership levels or products or services that you want. Okay, a lot of people don't realize that you can sell travel on its own. You can sell credit repair on its own. You can sell things like the cash flow manager on its own. No matter where you are in the world, you have access to market those things and earn from those things. I hope it makes sense. Now, some of the bonuses I wanted to mention to you is if you do get locked in with me and my team exclusively, what you're going to get access to is our sales rotator. I have an international global sales rotator where if you get started, you're going to be able to get plugged into my personal sales rotator. And you can just see that's a screenshot from my inbox right there. I make sales, multiple sales every single day. And some of those sales could be going to you. I could plug you into my personal sales rotator. I literally just did this last week, and I helped 5 people in a matter of hours make sales from my personal rotator. So it's a great opportunity for you to let me share your myEcon affiliate link for you. But this is only available at the global membership level or the $100 level. I do not do this for the 2 lower levels. So if you want to get into my personal rotator, you can do that. Now, as I mentioned in the very beginning, if you stick around till the very end, we're going to give you literally everything that you need to get started here in myEcon. Okay. We're going to have all of the sales funnels and everything you need built for you. You can see it all on your screen right here. We have a complete standalone training site that we put together. We've been using this for years. It's helped over 10,000 people make their first commission, first sale online, and you get access to that absolutely free just by activating your myEcon membership level. At any level here, my friend, you get access to our free proven and documented site that we have. We do all of the sales funnels for you. These are proven to convert sales funnels that have brought in thousands of members. We're going to give you your own custom app that you can run your entire myEcon business from. This is standalone from the standard myEcon app that's available in your myEcon back office. We're going to give you our app that was designed exclusively for our team that has all of your funnels, your training, content, and marketing. This is proven to convert viral content that you can use. Yes, we already have the content done for you. All you have to do is share it out there on social media. We make it really, really simple for you here when you get started with myEcon, when you join our exclusive team. And we're also going to follow up and email all of your leads for you on your behalf. So as you're out there generating leads, generating sales, we're going to be following up with all your leads for you. We email them every single day for you on your behalf. You literally get a done for you business in an app. This entire system is valued at well over $10,000 because when you look at the cost of page builders, email autoresponders, putting in the work, the effort, the energy to put all this stuff together, apps are not free. Page builders are not free. Email autoresponders are not free. Video hosting is not free, but we give you guys all this stuff absolutely free just for activating your myEcon membership. So that is it, my friend. That is the myEcon business review for 2025, updated for spring, now with the global membership level. So yes, you can promote your myEcon business anywhere around the world. You could be earning commissions from anywhere around the world. If you're ready to get started, links in the description down below, or you could just type that link in your browser right there, myeconglobal.com. You could just type that into your browser. That will take you right over to my direct sign up links. You can select your level, get yourself started. And as soon as you do, you will get an email direct from me. Be on the lookout for an email from Daniel with the words myEcon in the subject line. So as soon as you get started, you will see that. Double check spam occasionally, it'll hit there, but it's an autoresponder. You do the best you can, but be on the lookout for that email. That will get you instant access to our team training site, the over $10,000 in free value, everything you need to jumpstart your myEcon business literally today. Hope you got value from this video. If you did and you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notified first anytime I upload new content. And again, if you're looking to activate your membership, get started with myEcon and take advantage of all that additional free value. Links in the description down below, or you could just type that link that you see right on your screen right into your browser. Go ahead, get yourself started, and you can lock in, and we will be on your way helping you get into our sales rotator, promote your link for you, and give you everything you need to get out there and go crush it. I appreciate you for watching, my friend, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.